Welcome back to our channel. In this video I am going to show you Asus Vivobook 16 versus Asus Vivobook 16x. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video.
Hey, we'll see. This is the detailed comparison between these two. So first talk about processor. 16 provided up to AMD Ryzen 97940SZ processor and 16X provided up to Intel Core's i7 12700H processor. So it depends upon the preference. Now let's look at the graphics. 16 provided AMD Radeon graphics and 16X provided Intel USD graphics or Intel IRS X graphics. So 16 is better. Now let's look at the display. 16 provided 16.0 inch up to 4K OLED 60Hz refresh rate display and 16X provided 16 inch up to 3.2K OLED 120 Hz refresh rate. So 16X is better. Now let's look at the memory. 16 provided up to 16 GB double DRS memory and it is also provided by 16X, so both are equal. Now let's look at the storage. 16 provided up to 1 TB M.2 NVMe PCLE 3.0 SSD storage and 16X provided 512 GB M.2 NVMe PCLE 4.0 double SSD storage, so 16 is better. Now let's look at the ports. 16 provided USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type C, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, HDMI 2.1 port, and 16X provided USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A Thunderbolt 4, HDMI 2.1, so 16X is better. Now let's look at the battery. 16 provided 70 WRS 3 cell Li-ion battery and it is also provided by 16X, so both are equal. Now let's look at the weight. The weight of 16 is approximately 1.80 kg, 3.97 lbs, and the weight of 16X is approximately 1.80 kg, 3.97 lbs, so both are equal. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.